it's me, Harper. So today we have a JOJO Siwa box and we're going to open it up. Come on guys, let's open this. Ooh guys, we got some JOJO Halloween socks and they're pretty long. Yeah, see they have pumpkins on them. And we have a JOJO Siwa Halloween bow. And a JOJO Siwa Halloween character. Ooh, JOJO Siwa pants that are Halloween.
No, I think that's a sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt?
Keep looking.
Oh yeah, it's a sweatshirt. Yeah, it's a sweatshirt.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that, Harper?
That's so cute. So cute. And I have these again. These are so cool. And we have this little. Oh, today we got earrings, guys. See, earrings. And we got this. It's so cool that we got these kind of socks and a bow. It's so cool, and we got earrings. Oh, and we got a sweatshirt. I love that when we get every single thing about this. This is so cool. Even these, I love it.
What's your favorite?
My favorite are like all of them.
Knee-high socks, photo props, bow, hoodie, toy, collectible charm. Oh my
These are
goodness.
earrings. These are earrings.
That's a charm.
No?
That's a cute JoJo.
These
Collectible vinyl
they
toy.
can be earrings.
No, this is a charm for the bracelet that you got. Cute little Halloween charm. Knee-high socks. Does Mom get to wear these?
No. 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 No.
Oh, cute JoJo bow. Exclusive Halloween bow. Oh my goodness, Harper.
I think I want to put this on.
You gonna put that on?
Yeah. Can you please open this?
Yes, I can.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time when we get another JoJo